Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to see more videos. Today I am making a lovely smoothie, of course. I am making a smoothie with the following ingredients, and as always I will be sure to put the ingredients, the recipe, tips, and everything in the description. I'm going to be using some apple, I'm going to be using some cucumber, I'm going to be using some pear, I'm also going to be using some romaine lettuce, and I'm also going to use a bit of lemongrass, and I am also using some pineapples. I'm going to take the cucumbers first. Okay, I'm going to take the pear and put it into the blender. I'm going to take some of the apple and put it into the blender. I'm going to take the pineapple because it has a lot of juicy sweet water content as well. And then I'm going to take the lettuce. And I'm going to take this lovely piece of lemongrass and put it into the blender. Okay, I'm going ahead and take some water and put it into the blender. And this is how it looks. Ooh. Okay, so we are going to go over the ingredients again. We have some lemongrass, we have some apple and pear and romaine lettuce, okay, and even juicy sweet pineapple, okay. And we are going to try it now. Okay, and remember, you can definitely add ice to this, of course, and you can definitely use frozen ingredients, of course. Sometimes I don't mind having room temperature, it's up to you, but it's definitely good. I love it. Even if you're new to raw food, you would like this, you know, and I will leave some tips as always in the description. As always, I love my divines. Continue to be well. Peace, divine.